Our planet is a fascinating place, teeming with life and natural wonders. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, every part of Earth is interconnected in a delicate balance. It's a delicate system of interconnected forces, where even the smallest change can have a ripple effect across the globe. One of these forces is La Niña, a climate phenomenon that plays a crucial role in our weather systems. La Niña is a climate pattern that occurs periodically, influencing weather conditions around the world. It happens in the Pacific Ocean, the largest and deepest of Earth's oceanic divisions. This pattern occurs when the water near the equator is cooler than usual. This may seem small, but its impact is far-reaching. However, La Niña's effects are felt worldwide, influencing weather patterns in various regions. La Niña is like the little sister of El Niño, another significant climate pattern. El Niño brings warmer waters, leading to different weather conditions. La Niña, on the other hand, brings cooler waters, which can have a cooling effect on the global climate. Both events disrupt the usual weather patterns, causing significant changes in climate and weather. These disruptions can be significant, leading to extreme weather events such as floods, droughts, and storms. We see them in our daily lives, from the clothes we wear to the activities we plan. In the spring of 2025, La Niña is still at play, continuing to influence global weather patterns. Its influence is shaping the weather across the United States, affecting temperatures and precipitation. Some regions can expect warmer temperatures, while others will experience cooler conditions. Rainfall patterns will also be affected, with some areas receiving more rain and others experiencing drought. Some areas will be wetter, leading to potential flooding, while others will be drier, increasing the risk of drought. Understanding La Niña is crucial for scientists and meteorologists, as it helps them predict and prepare for these changes. It helps us prepare for the weather ahead, ensuring that communities can take necessary precautions. It also reminds us of our planet's incredible interconnectedness, where every element plays a part in the larger system. By studying and understanding these patterns, we can better appreciate the complexity and beauty of our world. La Niña typically brings warmer temperatures to the southern United States. This is because the jet stream, a band of strong winds high in the atmosphere, shifts northward. This shift pushes warm air from the south further north. However, not all areas will experience above-average temperatures. The northern United States, particularly the Pacific Northwest, may see cooler than average temperatures. This is due to the influence of colder air masses from the north. The temperature differences can be significant. The south may experience summer-like heat early in the spring. Meanwhile, the north might still be dealing with late-season snowstorms. These temperature variations highlight La Niña's far-reaching effects. La Niña's impact on precipitation is just as dramatic as its impact on temperature. The southeastern United States, already prone to heavy rainfall, can expect even wetter conditions. This is because La Niña enhances the flow of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. Conversely, the southwest is likely to be drier than usual. La Niña suppresses rainfall in this region. This can exacerbate existing drought conditions. It also increases the risk of wildfires. The contrasting precipitation patterns underscore the importance of understanding La Niña's influence. Farmers, water resource managers, and emergency responders all rely on accurate weather forecasts to make informed decisions. Let's take a closer look at how La Niña is expected to impact different regions of the United States. This weather phenomenon, characterized by cooler-than-average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean, has far-reaching effects on global weather patterns. Its influence will be felt across the country, from the bustling cities of the Northeast to the sunny landscapes of the South, the vast farmlands of the Midwest, and the diverse climates of the West Coast. The Northeast can expect a relatively mild and wet spring. This means that cities like New York and Boston will see more rainy days than usual, so keep those umbrellas handy. Temperatures are likely to be near or slightly above average. This will create a pleasant environment for outdoor activities and the blooming of spring flowers, making it a great time to enjoy the parks and gardens. Rainfall is expected to be above average, increasing the risk of flooding in some areas. Residents in flood-prone regions should be prepared and take necessary precautions to protect their homes and properties. The South is likely to experience a hot and humid spring. This will be particularly noticeable in states like Texas and Florida, where the heat can become quite intense. Temperatures are expected to be well above average, with early season heat waves possible. It's important to stay hydrated and take breaks in the shade to avoid heat-related illnesses. Rainfall is also expected to be above average, leading to potential flooding concerns. This combination of heat and rain can create a challenging environment, so be prepared for sudden weather changes. The Midwest is in for a mixed bag of weather. This region will experience a variety of conditions, from sunny days to sudden rain showers, making it a dynamic and unpredictable season. Temperatures are expected to be near average overall. This means that while there will be some warm days, there will also be cooler periods, providing a balance that is typical for this region. However, there will be periods of both warm and cool weather. This variability can be beneficial for agriculture, as it provides a mix of conditions that can support different types of crops. Precipitation is likely to be above average, increasing the risk of flooding, particularly in the Ohio Valley. Farmers and residents should be vigilant and prepared for potential water-related challenges. The West Coast will see a stark contrast between north and south. This region's diverse climate will be particularly evident this spring, with significant differences in weather patterns. The Pacific Northwest is likely to be cooler and wetter than usual. Cities like Seattle and Portland will experience more rain, contributing to the lush, green landscapes the region is known for. Meanwhile, California and the Southwest can expect another year of drought with below-average precipitation. Water conservation will be crucial as these areas continue to face significant challenges related to water scarcity. Section 5. The jet stream's wild ride, steering the weather. The jet stream plays a crucial role in shaping our weather. This high-altitude, fast-moving ribbon of air can dictate the movement of weather systems, influencing everything from daily weather to seasonal patterns. This fast-flowing air current acts like a giant river in the sky, transporting weather systems across the globe. It can steer storms, direct cold fronts, and even influence the development of hurricanes. During La Niña, the jet stream over the North Pacific tends to shift northward and strengthen. This shift is significant because it alters the usual paths that weather systems take, leading to noticeable changes in climate patterns. This shift has a domino effect on weather patterns across North America. The strengthened jet stream can lead to more intense and frequent weather events, such as heavy rainfall or prolonged dry spells. It allows cold air masses to plunge southward from Canada, bringing cooler temperatures to the northern United States. This can result in early frosts, unexpected snowstorms, and a general drop in temperatures. Simultaneously, it pushes warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico northward, increasing rainfall in the southeast. This can lead to more frequent thunderstorms, higher humidity levels, and even the potential for flooding in some areas. The jet stream's behavior during La Niña highlights the interconnectedness of our planet's atmospheric systems. Understanding these patterns helps meteorologists predict weather more accurately and prepare for the impacts of these shifts on our daily lives. Section 6. Spring 2025, a season of extremes. Spring 2025 is shaping up to be a season of extremes across the United States. La Niña's influence is evident in the anticipated temperature and precipitation patterns. While some regions will bask in above-average warmth, others will face cooler than usual conditions. Similarly, some areas will be drenched with excess rainfall, while others struggle with drought. This season serves as a potent reminder of nature's power and unpredictability. Section 7. Preparing for La Niña's legacy. Understanding La Niña's potential impacts is crucial for preparedness. Farmers need to adjust planting schedules and irrigation practices. Water resource managers must carefully monitor reservoir levels and plan for potential shortages or excesses. Emergency responders need to be ready for a range of weather-related disasters, from floods to wildfires. By heeding La Niña's warnings, we can mitigate its negative impacts and adapt to the changing climate. Section 8. Beyond the forecast. A look at the bigger picture. La Niña is just one piece of the complex climate puzzle. As we look beyond the spring 2025 forecast, we must remember that our planet is constantly changing. Understanding these changes, both natural and human-induced, is essential for our future. By studying climate patterns like La Niña, we gain valuable insights into Earth's intricate systems. This knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions that protect our planet and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come.